Engineering earthquake-resistant buildings. Lesson 2, Preparation. First floor. Start by peeling away the yellow protective backing from the bottom of the foam board. Then adhere the cardstock to the foam board and turn it over so the foam faces up. Now place the foam board template on top of the foam. Next, you will add the first floor joints. Fully insert a toothpick into a joint location indicated by a circled X on the template. Remove the toothpick, then push a pipe cleaner into the hole through the entire depth of the foam. Reinsert the toothpick next to the pipe cleaner. Repeat this process for the other 3 circled X's on the template. Next, you will install the first floor of the model building. Write "Do not remove" on the index card. Align the holes in the index card with the first floor joints and slide the index card down the joint materials. Finally, add a pointer. Insert a toothpick halfway into the side of the foam, aligned with the pointer line on the template.